Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. If you missed out on yesterday's fire sale, we were selling our very first merch shirts. So these are definitely a phrase you hear a lot. $1,000. When Paul doesn't know how much it should cost, he charges
it's $1,000.
$1,000. All right, so we have a fun little shirt. It says fire sale note and in the end Jesus wins and Hooked on Pickin and all that stuff. And it has a beautiful picture of the man behind the camera. So if you're interested in those shirts, go ahead and check them out on hookedonpickin.com. They're in the clothing section. We have 2 boxes to unbox for you guys today. And so they are random products that I have no idea what they are because they're in just plain boxes. So we're going to unbox these today. And they will be available on hookedonpickin.com, so you can go to hookedonpickin.com and find all of these products. And so let's go ahead and unbox them. All right. Let's see what we have here. It says fragile.
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 Please handle with care. Guarantee you that was not handled with care.
I guarantee it. No shipment is ever handled with care that gets delivered these days.
I wonder if an actual fragile sticker
makes it worse or
makes
better.
it more of a target.
Like, do they drop kick it because it says fragile?
They may. You never know.
Ooh.
Here we go.
Wooden puzzle. That is super heavy. So it must have more than one puzzle in it then. Oh, hey, we sold out of these really fast. Which one is it? This one is the grand piano.
Oh, we don't have this one.
No, we don't. Ooh, look.
Yeah, these sold so well, I decided to try to get some more of these. Grand piano,
camera.
vintage camera.
So it looks like each box has 2 different styles. So we're going to open all the boxes.
Beautiful.
So we'll be placing these on hookedonpickin.com. So they'll be listed there. You'll be able to find them. So those will probably be in the toy section, I would say, because it's a puzzle. Would you say?
Oh, yeah, definitely toys.
Okay, let's see which ones these are.
I'm sure adults would like this stuff, too.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. What is this one? Oh, we do have this one.
Yeah, the Ferris wheel?
Yep.
Yeah, what does it say for age? 14 plus is what they say.
Okay, so really it's made for older. And then here's the carousel.
I bet you some 12-year-olds could do this, too. Our daughter's 12. She would do this all day long.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
All right, let's see what else we got. Well, first off, what are these?
Those are stickers.
3D fancy stickers. It's got like Big Ben
London
and
stickers,
London
yeah.
stickers and
Yeah. Company does stickers, too.
oh, look at that.
For the whole stack, same stack, yeah. Oh, cool.
It's a Grand Prix car. So I do love these stickers. Dear friend, Big Ben, double-decker bus.
Very neat. Nice packaging, too, on them.
I know. I
We
love
saw
those
these in
ones.
Branson, remember, and they were so expensive
They were like
in that shop.
$50.
I know.
We're not charging
I'm like,
$50.
I know where we can get these, and they're not that expensive.
Okay. Oh, here's the princess carriage.
Yep. Like, we try to... We do mark things up, of course, because we have to make money, but, man, sometimes people, like, quadruple the price, 4 times, 5 times the price. I'm like, my goodness.
Those touristy places.
Yeah.
There's a sailing ship.
But when you're in, like, places like Branson, you're not exactly thinking of toys, you know?
Yeah.
We walked in that little toy shop they had, and I'm like, my goodness, everything was so high.
It was outrageous. Okay, I'm going to get the 1910 car out of here.
Awesome.
Okay. All right, then let's see. Let's put that over here. Okay, what's in this one? It seems like each box has a different set of puzzles.
These would be a cool gift when you don't know what to get somebody, too.
Yeah, absolutely.
Neat
These
idea.
are no glue necessary, too.
Yeah.
There's a hot air balloon.
We've had this one before.
Yep. So they sold out really fast, all of these puzzles, so that's why.
Neat detail.
So it says classical 3D wooden puzzle. Yeah, recommended age 14 plus.
Mm-hmm.
And there's the airship, like a Zeppelin, kind of.
No, look cool. Kind of a steampunk feel to it, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know if steampunk's still a thing. I think it is still. When we go to different trade shows, it seems like there's still a booth or two that has all that stuff.
Okay. Then we have, oh, we've got some more stickers in there too. Pull those out in a minute. All right, what else we got? Try to shake it out just enough so I can get it. Ooh, there's a cruise ship.
The cruise ship.
Is that a new one? That's a new one
Yeah,
for
it's
us.
a new one.
And here's the fishing ship. We do have this one, I
Yep.
think.
We had that one before. The fishing ship showed out really quick.
Yes, it did.
I thought the other sailing ship was going to, but the fishing ship...
Went faster.
Yeah.
Here's some more stickers. Blinged out butterflies.
Yeah. See if I can get it so it's not...
Like gemstone ones. Oh, here's some pink ones too.
Well, there we go.
Oh, wait. And there's silver.
Boom. There we go.
That's awesome.
Stickers always sell.
They do. We have lots of different kinds of stickers on our store. All right, what is this? Monuments. World's Greatest Monuments, it says. We've got Big Ben.
Look at that. That looks good.
Flip it over, you can see the pieces.
Just 24 pieces. Oh, here we go. That looks cool. This has got a little bit of a colored tint to it.
Yeah.
The other ones you can paint to however you want to. They're just like a board.
Like a wooden, yeah. Then we have Empire State Building.
Empire State Building. Look at that. The wooden puzzles. Neat.
Then you have the Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower. Now see, these say 8+ years on these.
Okay, so they must be a little bit easier. The nice thing is there's no glue necessary. They just snap together with all of these puzzles.
I bet you it's for frustration's sake, you know, because you have to be a little more careful. Any of those modeling kits, you know, your 5-year-old's probably going to destroy.
All right, last thing in the box. So far, I absolutely love everything in this box. Okay, let's see. This one has a train.
Oh, yeah. Look at the train, man. 18. Look how detailed that is. Isn't that cool looking?
Mm-hmm. These are...
That's going to take some time. Self-assembly, no glue needed. Detachable carriage.
So it's got
That's
two
cool.
pieces, like the...
What's the back look like? Oh, look at that. I think just this picture's kind of cool.
It also has a little QR code on the beginning. So if you scan it, it shows you a video on how to put it together. So that's an 1860s train.
Yeah.
Then we're going to go a little modern and go with a 1980s semi-truck.
There we go.
Isn't that cool?
For the trucker in your life right there. Boom. That is really cool looking.
Yeah, I like it.
What's the back look like? Yeah, some of these it looks like you can almost just frame these.
Yeah.
Little diagrams in the back. Sleeper cab. Kingpin for trailer. Nice!
Awesome. So that's all the puzzles. So those are super fun.
I'm excited for around Christmas. I think these things are going to blow
I think
out.
they will blow out now. Because everybody's got a holiday that
We sold out a lot of them.
Yep.
I think I have a few of different ones that are still online.
Yes, so you can go to the toy section, just type in wooden puzzle, you'll probably find it.
Yeah, you will.
Okay, figure out how they folded this box over. There we go. All right. Oh, I'm so excited.
You remember
to get these?
these?
Yes. All right, let me just open the first one and you'll see exactly what it is.
We sold out of these so fast.
It was
like within
immediate.
2 hours, they were gone.
They're little wristlets that look like books. This is Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins.
And then it has like a quote
from
the
book.
Mary Poppins book. And so
Look at even the binding.
Yeah.
Binding is cool. Look at that. Looks like a book, man.
And then they just open up and they're like a wallet. You put your credit cards here. And then there's a piece of foam in here where the change goes, which is why it's a little bit puffy right now. And then more here, and you put your driver's license, and you put your cash there. So they're little, like, antique looking books. Here, I'll let you kind of look at it a little better. But we're going to look at the different kinds. Okay, I'm going to pull out all the Mary Poppins ones because we already have seen that one. So it's got your iconic Mary Poppins umbrella scene. Okay, this one is new. Put Mary Poppins over there.
It's green.
Green. So this one is The Jungle Book.
The Jungle Book. Do you remember The Jungle Book? Mowgli. Shere Khan.
Yep.
Baloo. Look at that. The Jungle Book. And what's the quote on the back here? The strength of the pack is the wolf, and the strength of the wolf is the pack. That's cool.
Neat, isn't it?
A little different than just a standard black one, though. You know, with the green. This is a genius idea somebody had.
Somebody, yeah, was thinking. All right, cool. So we got the Jungle Book.
Got Mary Poppins and the Jungle Book.
Not as many of the Jungle Books so far, but they might be hiding in here. Okay, this one is Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty. The Sleeping Beauty. What's the quote on this one? They say if you dream a thing more than once, it's sure to come true. I've seen him so many times. Princess Aurora. Look at that.
Okay.
Cool.
A new one here.
Another one?
Yep. If you see me put one off to the side, it's because we've already seen that one. Here is
Peter Pan!
I can fly, I can fly.
We don't have the rights to that song. That was my attempt to sing. Pretty pathetic. All the world is made of faith and trust and pixie dust.
Faith and trust and pixie dust. Well.
There we go.
Alrighty then.
Nice.
We have a lot of Mary Poppins. I keep finding Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins. Mary Poppins was a hit.
It was a hit. We probably ordered a lot because those sold out really, really fast. Okay, so here's Peter Pan. Okay, here's a red one. The red wallet. This one is Red Riding Hood.
Little Red Riding Hood. Look at that. And now we have a red one. Yeah.
Yep.
Let's see. What's the... Ooh, that's some fine print.
You want me to read it?
Grandmother, what big arms you have. Still the better to hug you. Hug you with, my dear. Yeah. Very cool. I mean, how did the little girl not know that's a wolf? I mean...
Are you calling Little Red Riding Hood stupid?
Is your grandmother hairy? I mean, come on. She had that much facial hair? I mean, it's not just a few little whiskers. I mean, like, it's a full-grown beard everywhere in the cheeks, nostril, face, everything. It's like, let's go, Little Red Riding Hood. Let's think this through.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I found a bunch more Sleeping Beauties.
Did you? Good.
Yeah.
Here's Little Red Riding Hood.
Okay.
Put it over there.
Still finding Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty. We've hit the jackpot. Look at all of them.
Okay, here's the new one.
We shouldn't run out as quick now.
No, we have a lot more. I think we only ordered, what, like 10 or something before.
Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, this is going to sell right away. Beauty and the Beast.
Yep.
When we were at Disneyland, we saw a little play they had, or it was a little video or movie or whatever. There was a sing-along. Even our girls still sing along at their ages.
Yep.
I have a 15-year-old daughter, and she's singing along. Of course, everybody in the theater was singing along. That kind of helps.
Even us.
Even grown adults were singing Disney songs. It was beautiful.
That's what you do at Disney.
I guess.
It's the happiest place on earth.
Apparently. Think of the one thing that you've always wanted. Now find it in your mind's eye and feel it in your heart. I want a cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
Boop.
This is a lie. It's a lie. I don't have a cheeseburger. It lied to me.
All right, that's all. That's the only kinds we have because everything else is a duplicate.
So what do we have here? We have Mary Poppins.
Yep.
We have the Jungle Book. Not many of the Jungle Book, but we got some Jungle Book. Peter Pan, the Sleeping Beauty, Beauty and the Beast, and some of the Little Red Riding Hood.
So if you want Little Red Riding Hood in the Jungle Book, you better run.
Yeah, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 of those. They're probably sold in a 4-pack or a 2-pack.
Probably. All right. So we're going to see what's in these tiny little boxes.
Tiny boxes.
This says red on it.
Red.
Oh, yes. I don't know what it is about this purse, but it sells so stinking fast. We cannot keep it in stock. Look at it. It's a handbag. It's a crossbody bag.
It is cool looking, I have to say.
It's amazing. It looks like a regular Coke can.
Look at it.
So here, I'm going to let you hold that.
Looks like it's the size of a Coke can, too.
It is
really.
almost the size of a Coke can,
Coca-Cola Classic.
Feel like, you got homecoming coming up. That could be the fancy purse.
Boom. Coca-Cola.
Bring this on vacation. Here you go.
Yeah, you can.
See?
Look at that. Heather, the model, is wearing it. Gorgeous.
It's actually got a really long, so you can actually wear it.
It's a really nice shirt on you, too. I like it.
Thanks. All right. So there's your Coke can.
Nice.
Is that all that's in here? Yeah.
Yeah, probably. How many did we get? Probably
2,
10.
4, 6, 8, 10.
Yep,
10 of them.
10 of them.
Yep.
Yeah, great.
So we have Coke cans and fairy tales.
Coke cans, fairy tales, and a bunch of wooden puzzles, and a shirt.
That says, boom, $1,000.
Absolutely it does.
Yes, you buy all of this for $1,000.
Can you?
No, actually, I think it'll be less than that. Quite a bit less. All right, so these will all be on sale. So this will be in the handbag category. I think you might have to go down. Maybe it's on page 2 or 3.
I might try to bump them up.
Yeah.
I'll try to bump them up to the top.
Yeah, and then all of the wallets will also be in the handbag category, and then the puzzles will all be in the toy category, and then, of course, the shirt will be in the clothing category. So check those all out. These are all really fun things, and you can find it all on hookedonpickin.com. And, of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.